Have you noticed your arms getting thinner or your legs feeling weaker with age? You're not alone. Age-related muscle loss, also called sarcopenia, affects millions of seniors worldwide. But here's the good news. Certain foods can actually help reverse it. In this video, we're revealing the top 5 foods that fight muscle loss and help you stay strong, active, and independent. Let's get into it. So let's talk about all these topics today. Before that, if you are new to our YouTube channel, Inner Spark, please subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to like this video. 1. Eggs, small but mighty muscle builders. Eggs are one of the best sources of high-quality protein. Just one egg contains about 6 grams of protein, along with essential amino acids like leucine, which directly supports muscle growth. Seniors often struggle with low protein intake, and eggs are an easy, affordable way to fix that. They also contain vitamin D and B12, which help maintain muscle and nerve function. Scrambled, boiled, or in an omelet, eggs are a simple powerhouse to add to your plate. 2. Greek yogurt. Protein and probiotics in one. Greek yogurt isn't just creamy and delicious, it's loaded with protein. 1 cup can give you up to 20 grams of protein, helping to rebuild and maintain muscle mass. It also contains calcium and probiotics, which support bone strength and gut health. The thick texture means you stay fuller longer, and the high leucine content helps trigger muscle protein synthesis. Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to avoid added sugars. 3. Salmon. Omega-3s that support muscle strength. Salmon is more than just a heart-healthy fish. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and help preserve muscle during aging. It also provides about 22 grams of high-quality protein per serving, plus vitamin D and B12. These nutrients work together to support muscle repair, hormone balance, and energy. Adding salmon to your meals 2 times a week can make a real difference in strength and mobility. 4. Lentils. Muscle-building power in a tiny package. Lentils may be small, but they're packed with plant-based protein, about 18 grams per cooked cup. They're especially rich in leucine, the key amino acid that triggers muscle growth. Lentils also deliver iron and magnesium, which support muscle oxygenation and contraction. They're easy to cook, affordable, and versatile, perfect for soups, stews, or even salads. For seniors trying to rebuild muscle, lentils are a smart choice. 5. Cottage cheese, a slow-digesting muscle helper. Cottage cheese is often overlooked, but it's one of the best foods for muscle health. It contains casein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds muscles over time, especially helpful when eaten before bed. Just 1 cup offers around 25 grams of protein, along with calcium and B12. It's creamy, filling, and can be paired with fruits or nuts for a balanced, muscle-friendly snack. If you're serious about keeping your strength, don't skip the cottage cheese. Losing muscle with age isn't just about looks. It affects your balance, mobility, and independence. But with the right foods, you can fight back. Add these 5 muscle-friendly foods to your daily routine and feel the difference. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who needs it. Stay strong, stay healthy.